Have you ever felt that tickle in your nose right before a sneeze and tried to hold it in? Well, here's a friendly warning. Stop holding in sneezes. It might seem polite or convenient, but you never know what could happen if you suppress that powerful burst of air. Just let it out, unless of course you're ready for a wild adventure. Some say that stifling a sneeze could send you straight into a parallel universe, where the laws of physics are just a little bit off and everything feels slightly unfamiliar. Imagine this. One minute you're making toast in your cozy kitchen, and the next, you're standing in a place where gravity feels weird, the colors are brighter, and you're questioning reality itself. So, next time you feel a sneeze coming on, don't fight it. Let it out, and keep your feet firmly planted in this universe. Sneeze. 1, brain. 0,